Team, Dr. Love, Pretty Girls Town. You don't know the channel one that they have to keep the people them warm. You understand me? Fret them. You don't know the channel one that. Tell it to them. See it there again? When I'm alive, be fool, where she didn't so cool. She broke my heart and made me cry. But can you rule and that's right too? Confession, you can read that stuff. We read it in the magazine. See it there? The channel and dance it. Now take back down. Boom.
With the blood clot, what you call that? Mine, woman? Man? So wait now. Oh, you know, say the boy. So what you do, did it?
He will love Batman fears.
No worry what me I do. Me I count my blessing. What the people ever talk about kids? Switch King said
will
that
act like this smelly shit now, watch it.
Puss, me not gonna do this, you know. Me have ultra down in my stomach that's so strong. Me have ultra down in. We tell the switch them to come them breakfast ready. Puss, me have ultrasound, my stomach not so strong. Me not gonna do this video. On a breakfast ready, when I come switch and Kingsley. But if you constantly, you say I'm getting this, that, and
okay, I just wanted to show that little video of the nasty wretch. Nasty Puss. I take shit on fucking Instagram. People business have enough video now. Watch Puss and Tanya when them are one friend. I rub together, rub a dub. Watch dirty Puss, watch him mouth. Watch your face. Mouth. If she over here, I'm surprised she not see that, cause obviously she probably didn't see it, cause she done pull that up long time. She got add it to her files, you know.
Thanks, Kelly. Because you don't know what you don't know what.
You need to come, baby. Baby, you need to come because the house needs to start.
I'm coming, baby.
For your veranda. Listen me now. Listen me, sorry to shout. Listen me now.
Yes, baby.
Baby.
Yeah.
See your water there for your veranda.
Alright.
You stuff them damage. When we finish now, see your water. You should have make, when them up build it, you should have made them drill 2 holes so the water come out. The water leak. You see the whole of the veranda there, so where you build, you have to go build it back on the top floor. The bees eye, that big bees eye today.
Oh God.
scary. Look, I don't know what to say, you don't know what.
You need to come, baby. Listen, baby, you need to come because the house needs to start.
I'm coming, baby.
For your veranda. Listen, me now. Listen, me sorry to shout. Listen, me now.
Yes, baby.
Baby.
Yeah.
Be your water there for your veranda.
Alright.
Please stuff them damage. When me finish now, be the water. You should have make, when them up build it, you should have make them drill 2 holes so the water come out. The water leak. You see the whole of the veranda there, so we build. You have to go build it back on the top floor. The bees eyes.
He couldn't take it no more.
Every day for the nice clean man. No turning back, no cussing, nothing. You can't play that 20 blood clot. Yeah. Gorilla. Every day for the nice clean man. No turning back, no cussing, nothing. You can't play that 20
Hey, Jenna.
blood clot. Gorilla. Every day for the nice clean man. No turning back, no cussing, nothing. You can't play that 20 blood clot. Every day for the nice clean man. No turning back, no cussing, nothing. You can't play that. All you do is make fake page. Yeah. No turning back. This. You can't. Well, that's because sometimes them say when God moves some dirty people to your way post, you must regret it. So. Yeah, you let go all of the bad energy from now. Couple more weeks left for 2020. I like you. Put on to your black button. Black that bitch. She's a bad energy into your team. Listen here. Oh. Love me, I wish you her name. She need to leave. Me sleep every day for me nice, clean man. Tony, you can't do this. You can't blood clot to this girl. You can't.
5 minutes later, they start cuss.
You can't blood clot to that. You can't blood clot to that. Oh, it blood clot, go. How it go? Anyway, I say, talk to me nice, clean blood clot.
Puss not know her bra size, you know.
Talk to my body. Talk to my blood clot body. My body nice, no blood clot. My body nice. My body nice, no blood clot. The way I said, dirty woman. Short blood clot. My body nice, no blood clot. There. Nice, look there. All you do is make fake page. Yeah. No turning back, no cussing, nothing.
The woman just big and workless. Remember when you go and look fresh and nice before that I went Puss just reach at Jamaica, you know. Can't see Hugo face, but you know him when look fresh and nice. them.
Our island, man, I lie. But then when Puss, but then when you can't forget a day when Puss asked Tanya for the man, and Tanya talk about her brother and them sitting there and me get a little sister and I'm run go and tell Candy say, Candy, I got something. Tanya's gonna set a Puss on her brother Hugo, and he's in prison. And she wants to bring him to Germany. Yo, them days that it shut in the island.
Yeah.
Yo, them days they used to shut. And them say, I wish for me to Puss today. I wish me come today. And when me go see the picture, you really have to fairness with my Puss. My blood clean. Me say Puss, me say Tanya brother can't see Puss face. I know, like,
Mercedes.
under no measures can he ever see Puss head. And then when he see Puss face now, the man just start say, Jesus, but me I forgot to do it, you know. I forgot to do it, cause you know, she has sent her a little bit of nothing come give me. And the man got Jamaica and, you know, saying get a house and the man I said, no money house in a one deplorable condition. Like it look like a some area man come together and mix up some cement and build this house, yeah. I can say you go used to good things from back in the days in the car. See man that Claire said, no man, them fridge are so rusty down, the machine lot of
This went up on people business. And it's out from when? 42 weeks ago.
Alan! Oh my goodness.
Look at that, Granny.
Yeah.
Like, look at the night. Look at the night here alone.
But you know, say Keiko voice don't fit her image. Keiko look like that little grandmother that will walk across the road. But say, come let me come here and to your mama.
The lemonade Christmas gift.
Yeah, our voice sound like them young girl from Harlem. You know them voice there. Our voice.
So really, Erica, when they send around the picture, man, look there. Cause for me picture them when me have say Erica, probably over here so me get it. No.
Jesus, please zoom back up. Erica name that for you now?
Yeah.
So Erica needs to add my ID.
I don't know if she said it I'm if you know if she said it I just notice.
Jesus, please. Jesus, please. See name that for you, Erica. Wow, social media.
Yeah, she look like a fucking handicap. A child.
What that put her hand like one wart? Is that a wart?
A bracelet.
Oh.
One of them granny bracelet there.
I probably for arthritis. You have a stress bracelet. No man, I can't care that way a class of people. Yeah, she man.
Hey, go and chat, make me go and stroll.
And she said, Jesus, peace, social media not easy, you know.
We are good dog memory lane.
When I look on Keiko, yes, yeah. I mean, manala, other Keiko or Brittany who look better.
No must Brittany.
If you say Brittany look better than Keiko people.
Way better. Everything, head to toe, everything.
Who from out look better?
Brittany.
Brittany lip look better than Keiko lip?
Yep.
Somebody answer me, because I don't know about that.
Yep. Everything about Brittany look better.
Brittany. Okay, somebody said Brittany. I never say oh, I say oh look better in that image.
Everything from Brittany look better than that stupid bitch.
Brittany look better.
You can't compare Brittany to that granny.
Oh my God. Boy, I can't come in line. I think Brittany look better than you too, but I try feel like, root for you a little bit, but they won. I true. Brittany look better for true. Brittany look better. Can't. It's what about. I want. I want this.
Me say my mother nearly dead when me sure of this. My mother laugh till she weak.
But I put myself no the one you ever bring up. What you feel? Oh my God. If was a person. Oh my God. Chris can't eat.
Lock your eye, Chris. The puss batty.
Oh my God. What you laugh? And the quiet put a sugar laugh. What you do?
I'm tired.
Why I don't know how Puss do it? Puss shape like vomit. I tell you, Puss body just say I'm tired. No, sir. Mm-mm. Right now, you have to go. Right now, Puss favor Narbit. I say me can find one video with Narbit around on the beach. And tell me if Puss and Narbit no resemble. Oh, sir, I don't have the stomach for that. Their body alone shaped like I was in the inside of a stomach. Really bad. Sometimes wonder, sometimes people stay bad, but they fix up themselves. Hold on, darling.
Wait, I think puss when
I
you
found a
find one.
post. If I'm lying, I'm dying. What's a water park scene?
How puss look dirty? Kind batty batty.
Well, are you guys ready for the video?
Yes.
If you're ready, say ready.
Ready.
All right, people, in 5, 4, 3. Nobody cost me about.
Hey, girl. That look better than puss. Go away.
Watch pause. Pause.
Watch the batty. Ew.
Watch pause.
No, sir.
What? Watch pause. Watch pause. Watch pause. Yeah, pause, but. I never Puss papa. Lord of God. No, Puss. I don't know what to tell you. Mm-hmm. If that don't shape like Puss, I don't know what to tell you. Well, say I've no candy. Oh, remember that. Hey, Puss actually look handsome right there, so I'm not lie. Puss looks very handsome right there.
This way over pink wall to me seat over there first.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember that.
Me nearly laugh dead when me seat over pink wall, but my uncle is missing. I find my uncle Billy.
No, but people literally that comment think our man for true.
Me know.
People they think our man for true. Not now go on alive now go on.
No.
It's alive, I wanna keep.
No.
I not understand this life thing. Cause when me there work, life I keep trying to write. And the day when me not there work, nothing na go on.
I know we are the mix up.
I
We
know,
wait for the mix up come.
yeah, but I mean, you know, from when me I wait for the day I can stand watch all off. Just right now. President Christian
Me don't know what.
or Blessed God at church. That's always the that me I said to come like say God tell me something cause they tell me something slow the life.
Yeah, just
You know,
fresh up.
everybody know say if you there with one man, no man clothes supposed to fit you know. Cause when me anytime I feel like I want to put on one big shirt, a peanut shirt, your man clothes to fit you. That a Yuga Marina and that a Yuga underpants. For real estate.
Yeah, garbage, you know.
I say stay same way. Say the water back like side I door there. Yeah, she said real estate of a license plate, but at the same time, like come on now, post that the place then a bill good. That look like a that would be like if you do your ear, like you beg one of your friend them down your road for the bitch up your ear a little bit. I said that they look like on the beg on a friend them for bitch up your yard. I give them.
Tell me if you want to see something hang over.
Yeah,
You see, but when I come down,
She love yellow shots though.
I tell
no,
you,
Tanya,
couples.
Tanya will never look like me. Me proud of my big 48-year-old self. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We never look so.
Give it to the
Never look so.
full of
No, man.
confidence.
Stop the nonsense, man.
Full of
Stop
confidence.
the nonsense. You will never look so. Stop your nonsense, man.
If puss never evil, puss could have been.
Stop the nonsense, man. Fish you big and you black and you rough. I want you. We never stay so. Can you? This way, your brother have to come home.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you push it?
Boy, pussy just a, it just a make you gonna look like he give up on life. I say, man, start. We know say put out here show people where I get to. Man, if I feel drunk, probably under drugs on my phone. Yeah. Yeah. The rest of the let me go. And man must Mercedes, man. Man, boy, I like how Team Puss come on a fake page and I talk to her. We appreciate it. Yes. We like to come to. Yeah. I don't like to have to laugh sometimes. That must could be a piano. But no, she chose her flat brace. Which is right because it's a blind me.
Yeah.
So, 17. Did I forget all?
Look at, tell me if you see something hang over.
Hey, I got coffee you soon.
Tanya, look. No, Tanya.
Okay.
Tanya will never look like me. Be proud of my big 48-year-old self.
Yeah. Oh, remember when Pussy was Letty about me still laugh till me weak.
Puss delusional.
I know, right? To call Letty pretty. I used to say, Puss, are you kidding me? Like seriously? You know you can never look like Letty, so don't even go there. But you go come out the other in Christmas greetings video. Me say you go look like sardine in a can, like slave on the middle passage. Man look stressed out. You go look like he got through shit and piss and everything pan him. And him have to play him part. Right now you go under Stockholm syndrome. Go research what Stockholm syndrome is. The from me to me is them with the pan ya. Yeah. Him can't do no better. Him not know where to go. Him can't go in there also him mother then because like Tanya say them have them shares in it. Him can't go in that time. We'll have to go in our next house. Kind disrespect everybody. So right now him not have nowhere to go and yes if but you see through him mash up now and favor Puss Toniel. No girl know why you go now. Oh really? I got to take up you got, nobody now gonna say you go handsome and the stress looking face there. So what go want wash off you go and fix him up. No. I did not go wear him on them there and like a Birkin bag.
Murder! Murder! Bell Jesus, big up!
I swear, Puss, because you go don't see him anymore. Feel it.
Oh, man, I'm doing why, buddy, baby, man?
Oh, wow.
Hey!
The part burn your cousin picture the other family. Puss burn up your family them.
Whoa, she gone, please.
Right. Watch Puss in one shot.
Then love a piece of yellow shot.
Me say that me say if Puss pum pum sneeze that the shots the bust out. It and the orange one.
A pink.
My man dead, don't call it duppy. My cousin can bounce back, him eyes open. Well, Paul, work with him. Work with him because this is not it, Paul. The man come from prison and look handsome and he just suck out now and look like one and go when they don't suck off his seat and cracky. Something just not right with how you go look right now.
I wonder what she went to hide behind this so that you did.
You must see
She pin it up with clothespin
must
and
see
tie it up.
back pan. Boy, you uku your love over here. Boy, me I tell her no matter how them beat you, uku say if you stay away from over here, still come over here. Boy, you're brave. One thing I can tell you, you're brave bad. Puss is a mad woman and get a hold on. Let me read this good. And get a madman. What?
What's the exercise?
Puss sex? Uncle say leave me alone, I'm not involved. And your pasta. Okay, my dear. Just enjoying myself over here. It's New Year. Good boy. Uncle Alan.
Mm?
Yes, Uncle right a week. Okay.
Yeah.
Murder. Alan, who wants to put some exercise?
Oh, no do?
Yes, but who could it distract me with our comment show? Whew. Watch pusa exa I suppose I fight back love Sanders. All right. Uppercut no more.
A kick. Just let a kick. Yeah.
Not clean. No, sir. Me say it puss. Never so evil puss. I'll star in a movie with Oliver. Look like one Twinkie. One Twinkie, you know, they sang they like kiss kid there, then Twinkie there. Just look like one Twinkie. Glad. Yes, sir.
Fuck a big road.
Watch him to now. I don't know if anybody knows about always a crutch up her pum pum.
Yeah, me just see my crutchy.
She always a scratch her pum pum. I don't know what's going on with her pum pum, but she are and always depend her pum pum or rub it when I now look. Yeah, puss always a catch up her pum pum. Something I don't know what's going on with it. Maybe that's why she had visit the doctor regular now. Cause about 3 times now, Mr. Puss got doctor.
You ain't got a doctor yesterday, man. You go.
Yeah, and he go what day I went sitting there them cause him saying go and he go before. So I don't know what's going on. Why I need to see the doctor so many times in a 1 month? Honestly, I don't know what going on. Find one next video come more and laugh. Whew, going down memory lane. Yeah, Puss when I stop talk about you, I don't care if you want. Yeah, you don't remember she used to say, why you
Remember
so
that
upset
day, yeah.
on it's up and she had that she in a garbage truck?
What the truck up, I'll come, I go up on and up. When you come with it, nobody come. So rubber truck come, phone there, when come, man. Line up, all of the red boot, the dog, the dude,
What
the
for
mouse,
shield?
shitty, you know, dead, you know. Sweetina, Slinina, so no rabbit chop come phone a blood clot there. Rabbit chop come phone. Come. Rabbit chop come for all I wanna know. Rasta Pasta, Diaries, the rabbit chop come here. Grassy, Uncle Dog, Red Book, Fred Dead, Annie, Suina, and what then?
Islandkandy.
Rabbit chop come phone, come, go up in there. Go up in there. Make sure you roll them over. Uncle Red Boot big so I forgot roll out 3 times. Yeah man. Touch them. Rabbit chop come for them. Yeah man. Never ram.
Your package?
Island because she did say something about Polly first.
Hold on there. What you say?
Them put in you first. And see rabbit truck come through there. Climb up by the rabbit truck. Rabbit truck, hear them come. The whole of them gone.
Oh.
Baby Lee all in the rubbish truck. The whole of Islandkandy in the rubbish truck. All on the bag and tack in the rubbish truck. The rubbish truck, they put it there. And they see that this way barrel in there. Rubbish truck phone.
Rabbit truck. She never put me in a no rubbish truck. She put me in a the rabbit truck.
R.I.P. Annie, R.I.P. Uncle Dog, R.I.P. Fred Dead. See down now, gone. Goodbye, R.I.P. Apollo Campbell, Brassy, R.I.P. R.I.P. Uncle Dog, R.I.P. Twilight's right. See that? See that rabbit truck. Watch how much showing on. So them are showing a blood clot in. Yeah. Show them in. Yeah, you. Show them in. Yeah, rabbit truck in. Yeah. They sound of fit. Yeah, you. Rabbit truck phone. Rabbit truck. Anybody else want to go on the rabbit truck? Anybody want to join and go on the rabbit truck? Rabbit truck phone. Sam Bossy. Swag team. Rabbit truck all around. Rabbit truck. La. There's some barrel in and I rabbit truck. Goodbye. I'm in the rabbit truck and again. In the barrel, Nobody no come out the funeral. Nobody. More than the rubbish truck that take on the out. Nobody come to the funeral. Rubbish truck the barrel, You got the barrel the rubbish truck. Goodbye. Never want to see you again. Goodbye. And the barrel the rubbish truck. The rubbish truck come through now. Rubbish. The only reason why I'm not going to take Amanda. Because she influenced by bad influence. And she's fully mad. So that's why I ease up she. But the whole I want to rabbit truck, Amanda alone safe. I give Amanda another chance because she been brainwashed. Rabbit truck. Yeah, that's it. Hey, what's up, Mickey?
Hmm?
Put me for boil in a song, sorry, because I feel ginger.
Your package is here? Oh, I couldn't hear you. Them never buzz me. Bring my half in here. Please. Do you want Calypso chicken today? Calypso chicken.
You're not here with Annie? I'm not sure why, mate. 2 missed call for an O. People don't know some no answer call, no.
Wait, may I look for your next video? It's a sitting post. RT when just a pack up your live.
Hello?
You can't hear me?
Debs?
Oh.
Here. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not here. Hold on. Let me see. Debs? No, hold on. I guess you connect to something. Hold on. Yeah, you hear me? Debs? Oh. You done do everything already? You done do everything?
Kevin Usha. Kevin Usha.
Who's a part of the live?
Oh. So go on a Walmart before you lock. Or out of Publix or something too. If then post office not gonna lock now, babes. You hear me? Yeah, post office supposed to go lock now. I remember say a corona so it might lock even before that. Just go up a Walmart quick. Oh. Alright. Yeah, can't get me. Me nah sleep up there, babes. Me you done talk about the 30. Well, do what you have to do. I'm not sleeping up there. Bye. Come having fun. Sure. How is that forcing me to do what I don't want to do? Sure. Hey, back to the show.
Okay.
I'm gonna think I'm using like a peanut brain. I crash an idea. Don't tell me what to do what I don't want to do.
No, sir. I'm a drag queen. No. I want every day I don't get so. And when everybody went good. Now them at odds. Okay, remember when you and Sean cuss? Okay there?
I think
I tell you, man, fear breathing back like the soap in a bucket. So I just say that, well, you can't breathe. And everybody can breathe, you know. Might be all the whole of your pussy, be a cool night. Can't, no, one can't burn out to cool it down. I don't know. Shania blood clot eat me up. Hold on, I don't worry about your pussy clot. Yeah, well, 5 o'clock at England now. I don't worry about my pussy cold. My pussy cold. No shot. Don't remember don't remember about your last them. Me and 5 o'clock now. 5 o'clock now. No shot. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave. Why? Who much belly you dash with? Who much belly you dash? You're not willing to tell me that blood clot. Who much belly you dash? Dash your belly yet, Sean. I don't know what is it. Dash my belly. I tell you, man. For your breathing bag might be soap in a bus yet. The cold? No shot. Don't remember the hard. Don't remember the last of the blood. Me and 5 o'clock. No shot. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave. Why? Who's belly of that? Come out of the workplace. Sean, listen. Where do you come out of the workplace? Sean, where do you come out of the workplace? Sean, me have a fix you. Me have a fix the blood. You're doing donkey doing. You're doing donkey doing.
Sean mouth went bad, you know. People business have enough sitting, you know. Yeah, I guess.
Hello? Hello? See me in my head the next. Hello? Hi. I'm Charmaine's friend. I'm just bringing it all clear up. Stay.
Life soon done, people. Like a guy's store. There's no way I have to play.
Hey yo, Van King come last week, Sunday on the phone. And him see me acting I enjoy with them and the clothes nice. Sean, you're bad team boy.
Yeah. Nobody not on. Nobody so boring now. Oh, this is it for the show. Till later. I'm gonna go to the store. What time is it? Oh, it's 2:30. Yeah, come Annie. 6 minutes left. 5 minutes.
Over here not boring them for go on and them bed and go lay down with them husband and them something with them night when you come when you want to watch movie and listen. When you go on the bed, man. Tonight Candy Lake take a break because you don't know our middle have to turn up, you know, when our middle turn up. Yeah,
No, early time.
Candy with
After
the
2:37 for me.
Candy with the good middle. Yeah, understand me. So girl middle turn up now, so you know say
Yeah.
girl. So you know say girl
Food to cook for my man. I'm a pit
yeah,
me.
so you know say girl go cut off show quick. You understand me? She don't depend no long thing. We lucky we even get her tonight. Cause remember, Right now, for your little pony lockdown, you know. You understand me? For your pum pum happy right now. You have a cartel say, "I'll make your pum pum happy." Right now, candle like little pum pum happy, happy, happy. Over
I gotta
here.
leave and come back. I mean, I want miss nothing until later. Unless my mind there, I mean, I come
I
back.
miss you so much, my baby. Jen Jen.
I know a
Yes,
long time I
Peter,
not
you
see
me
Jenny.
hold on, candy don't go yet. A Chris me attack. A Chris me attack. So she like jump out as you hear her a true Annie. You understand me? At least Candy still a find time for we. You know when you there on the lockdown, you lock down more, you lock down like it's a soldier lock the gate for you. We not talk to you. We not play with you. You understand me? Straight. Love you too, my little Jen Jen. You understand me? So make her a long time her pum pum did there under arrest and it get bail. She a work with it. Work with your good miggle candle car. You say girl with good miggle. Straight
Yeah.
they go on a shop. Make sure you come back. Who want it and drop out when she sit up on the chair? And she have
No.
yo, look good when they look for things, you know. Yeah, the woman attack and her denture move. When you never see it, the woman denture move.
No.
Me
I
say, girl,
lie.
go back for one or something. Yeah, her denture move because you could have see it push to the side, you know, like bone. Yeah? I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear. I'm not
No,
lying. I'm not lying. When she da burn the picture them, her denture move to the side. Yeah, and she comes so she stop talk and like she push it back over to the side. Cause look like the clicking in that it a jump out, the wire wear out. I remember a Jamaica, you have to pay for dentist up here should I get it free, them would have tighten it up back in her mouth. So it dropped to the side because you could have see it a pull short over here saying like plum. You know, like she da eat a guinea.
yeah.
And the seed then, yeah, and she just push it back and her. Notice anytime she goes some. Anytime she goes some, she fix back her denture. You know, observe the thing. Remember, woman teeth them loose, you know, a long time she get them. She need a polygrip. Yeah, she need a polygrip. Me not lie, I told me I thought diary. I denture slip to the side the other day. Me not never the bottom one or the top one, but eh?
When you can't cash up, put some money for buy polygrip.
I mean, I know why Puss a talk about, oh, you go buy ring. Oh, you go can't buy food or the boy you go buy ring.
From Michael Kors.
You know, I'm gonna come off of that something here tonight. From where?
Michael Kors. When she went get the ring, I that she went say, you go buy a ring from Michael.
When you say fake, call Puss.
The lady said, well, while I'm cooking.
Yeah, come I just order my Chinese food, my Chinese, so me order more corona in my house. You saw me wicked to myself. So my your friend them the good blood clot self. Yeah, me just order one heap of corona in my house. Yeah, understand me. So all them it not gonna stop corona still I go on. So me I wait for my corona for come. So when you come back, me I go eat and them thing them I go ready. Straight, right? That's right there. So
Yeah, I done in a like 2 minutes, guys.
and the
3 minutes,
light
maybe.
out in a 2 minutes, so who just a come, wanna go and go get on the popcorn and the drinks at the bar. You understand me? Because the Candy Lake show will returning back in when she finish with shop because she go cook her man dinner and then a mackerel she go cook and a
No
dumpling she go
Calypso
cook.
chicken and rice and peas.
Yeah, she now do no mackerel and dumpling because on a boat she a run. She a do
No,
chicken, rice and peas with vegetable and good carrot juice or some form of fruit juice or something. Yeah, them gyal and make sugar and water. A
we
foreign
just
you live with her.
spread them. Nope.
Yeah.
No mackerel today.
No mackerel and rice now cook over here, so you understand me? I remember girl sit down round table and a barrel she a eat off. Bye bye. Big up to the good self. It's the candlelight show. It's a buzz. Chris, I love you, my friend. You know I love you, Chris. But not stopping it. Right now, you know, sister, a barrel of every you be
Barrel top serve for everything, for the table, for the
there
shop,
be no house
everything.
waiting at the
Counter.
barrel. That's why the house little so. If you make up my shop, what meeting at the barrel. If you get a man, get him in at the barrel. Everything it's about the blood clot
Put
barrels.
always a show off our mansion, but we can't see nowhere but the piece of veranda. Half a veranda. Quarter veranda.
Listen, the
One
woman that
little
build a
piece of
house, the
space.
woman build a veranda. You understand me? I'm tired for tell you, it's not a house the woman build, it's a veranda the woman blood clot build. You ever get past this yet? You cannot
Nope.
get past that
One
entrance.
little time we get a peep over people business when we see the mattress on the floor. Fuck two body live up and but I have to just pull up that little clip there.
Anyway, later, people, we're over here. Oh, you're so nice. We have a bus. Come in.
Yeah, man, I'll come back while I cook for sure.
Yeah, go and go get your man good dinner with your good meal. Later, Candy Lake. Bye,
Okay,
people.
you too.
Later.
Yeah, live a countdown. I'll be back in about an hour. I'm gonna go to the store. Bye, guys.